Introducing QUACO Desk, the ultimate desktop-friendly test automation solution. A compact yet powerful version of our QUACO Pro D, designed for easy integration into any office, lab, or workspace. At the core of QUACO Desk is a high-speed robotic arm, equipped with force-sensing multi-finger technology. It can replicate human-like actions on any HMI, whether it's a touchscreen, pressing physical buttons, or even activating side buttons on a device. QUACO Studio's AI convert existing test cases into robotic actions and generating new ones from natural inputs. Our record and play feature allows you to design and execute test cases with plain mouse clicks. No coding required. The integrated AI-powered vision system ensures detailed OCR validation, UI detection, and real-time error tracking. Whether you're in mobile hardware or software testing, automotive infotainment testing, POS testing, or smart device validation, QUACO Desk delivers powerful automation in a compact form. With built-in safety features like emergency stop switches, SOP violation alerts, and door state detection, QUACO Desk ensures a secure and controlled testing environment. Compact and office-friendly. AI-driven codeless automation. Advanced computer vision and OCR. High-speed, force-sensitive robotic fingers. Edge computing and cloud connectivity. Plug-and-play modular test rig. Test smarter, faster, and right from your desk. Contact us for more details.